Hello my dear students, welcomes all of you to our YouTube channel called Maths GNR, and we will see for today's session of lecture number 2 of vector calculus. We will continue for the last class, so that is in the last class already we were noticed few points, 1 to 5 notice points. If you want to know what are those notice points, you can go to lecture number 1 of last video. But in this class we will see problems on gradient, directional derivatives and unit normal vectors. Right, we will solve quickly second problem. You can see here, find the directional derivative of the scalar field f is equal to 2x plus y plus z square in the direction of the vector 1 comma 1 comma 1 and evaluate this at the origin. Solution to this problem number 2. Solution to problem number 2. So given scalar field, given scalar field f is equal to 2x plus y plus z square. To compute directional derivative of the scalar field in the direction of given vector, so we need to compute gradient of this vector, this scalar field. So that is gradient of f is equal to, so that is del f is equal to, what is that? So formula will be dou f by dou x comma dou f by dou y comma dou f by dou z. So that will be here calculated. Dou f by dou x will be, so partial derivative of f with respect to x will be 2 and partial derivative of f with respect to y will be 1 and partial derivative of f with respect to z will be 2z. So this is what the gradient of scalar field f. So that will be del f. Now we need to compute, so this gradient of f at the point here given, at the point, so there is no point given, no problem. Now compute directional derivative. To compute directional derivative of f, formula will be here given to you, del f dot vector a by magnitude vector a. So that will be is equal to, del f already computed, that is 2 comma 1 comma 2z dot product and a by mod a. So here given vector a is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. So that will be 1 comma 1 comma 1 by magnitude of this vector will be square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So this will be 2 comma 1 comma 2z dot product 1 comma 1 comma 1 by, so under the square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square will be root 3. Now take the dot product of these two vectors, so that will be is equal to 2 into 1 will be 2 plus 1 into 1 will be 1 plus 2 into z into 1 will be 2z by root 3. So that will be here completed. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2z by root 3. So this is what the directional derivative del f dot a by mod a. Now here given and evaluate this at the origin also given. Evaluate directional derivative at the origin. If you evaluate at the origin, that will be 0, 0, 0. At 0, 0, 0, you will be getting x is equals to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. If you substitute z equal to 0 here, you will get 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 will be written as root 3 only. So this is what exact required directional derivative of scalar field in the direction of the vector 1, 1, 1 at the point 1, 0, 0, 0. Now quickly we will solve for problem number 3. Problem number 3. Solution to problem number 3. You can see here. Find the gradient of the scalar field f is equal to x into y into z and evaluate it at the point 1, 2, 3. Hence find the direction derivative of f at this point in the direction of the vector 1, 1, 0. Given scalar field f is equal to x into y into z is given. So this problem number 3 is divided into two parts. First part is we need to compute the gradient of f, and in the second part we need to compute the directional derivative of the scalar field at the point 1, 2, 3. Right. For the first part, here given scalar field is equal to f is equal to x into y into z. So to compute gradient of scalar field f, that will be is equal to grade f is equal to del f is equal to dou f by dou x comma dou f by dou y comma dou f by dou z. Now compute these partial derivatives of scalar field f. Dou f by dou x will be, so if you compute partial derivative with respect to x, remaining things are constants. So here x will be 1, remaining things are y, z, and second component, so that will be x, z, third component, that will be x into y. But we need to evaluate this gradient of scalar field at the point 1, 2, 3 here given, 1, 2, 3. So therefore gradient of f at the point 1, 2, 3, that will be is equal to y, here x is equal to 1, y equal to z equal to 3. Therefore substitute this x comma y comma z here, you will get 6 comma, so x z will be 3 comma 2. So this is what exact required gradient of scalar field at the point 1, 2, 3. Now quickly compute second part of the problem number 3. So that is to compute the directional derivative of scalar field at the point 1,